All right. We are on lesson 18, day 3. I'm going to say a word and we are going to change a sound at the beginning. Here we go. Everyone say string. Change str to spr. Spring. Everyone say slope. Change sl to sk. Scope. Everyone say sport. Change sp to sn. Snort. Everyone say freeze. Change fr to fl. Fleas. Everyone say scam. Change sk to sp. Spam. Everyone say stoke. Change st to sm. Smoke. Everyone say sneer. Change sn to sp. Spear. Everyone say brink. Change br to bl. Blink. Good job. I have a list of words. I'm going to say the word and you're going to repeat after me. Here we go. Fall. Small. Draw. Grow. Own. Clean. Better. Warm. Myself. Only. Try. Today. Cut. Kind. Hold. Full. You have a list of words on your paper. You're going to read them silently to yourself for 1 minute. If Miss Debbie sees your eyes not on that board or not on that paper, your clip is down. 3, 2, 1, go. And stop. Circle the one you finished on. All right. All right, everyone say D. In. Re. So we know that D means away from or down. In means in. Super easy. If I said you need to redo your homework, that means to do your homework again. Good job. Everyone say ED. Shun. 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 If. We've got 3 different categories. Everyone say fleck, flex. Struck, struct. Sis, stant. All right. So let's take a look. I've got reflective on the board. I see right here. Let's see. Fleck, flex. I'm going to put the word deflect. Deflect. I'm going to put that in the blank. Deflect. Deflect. Make sure you get that written down. Put that in the blank. All right. So I put deflect right there because flecked is in that word. All right. Now we have struck, struct. Right here, I am going to put destruct because destruct has struck. The next word I see is going to be, oh, goodness. The next word I have is instruct. If it wants to act right. Oh my goodness. Let's do this. All right. Y'all give me 1 second. Destruct. Instruct. And then this one was deflect. All right. Systant. I see resist. And I also see resisted. Now the word that I'm going to choose, I'm going to choose insist. Or let's see. Let's do reflection. Okay. And a reflection, I'm going to look up the definition of that really quick. Okay. So a reflection is seeing something back. Okay. So we've all seen our reflection in a mirror. So what I want you to do, you can pause the video right here, and I want everyone to take about a minute to come up with their own sentence that has reflection in it. All right, so I'm going to come up with a sentence, and we might have the same one or similar. My sentence is, I saw my reflection in the mirror. All right. Now, this week we're looking at vowel teams, and that's where we have 2 or more letters that are side by side, and they make this sound of one vowel. Okay. So everyone say EA. All right, and we EA says 2 different things. Okay. So in this first EA, everyone say E, eagle. So we've got eagle. But EA sounds different when we have it in this context. Let's look here. Everyone say bread. So right here in bread, we don't say breed, we say bread. Everyone say EW. Now, right here, we say mew, mew. Right here, EW says you, mew. But here, EW says ooh, ooh. Okay, so like ooh, screw. Everyone say OW. So right here, OW, like snow, we say sn-o. OW says O. Now right here, in owl, OW says ow, ow. So this one says, I hit my head. I'm looking at the word head. Does that go in the same category as eagle or bread? It goes in the bread category. Let's look at brew. Does that sound like mew or screw? Sounds like screw. All right, hold your breath. 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 That goes in bread. The low branch. We're looking at low. Look, O. Low sounds like snow. How are you? We're looking at how. Ow. How sounds like owl. The sandy beach. We're looking at beach, the EA. That sounds like beach. That sounds like eagle. A few drops. We're looking at few. Few. Few sounds like mew. Lastly, at the show. We're looking at show. OW. O sounds like show. Show sounds like snow. All right. Now what we're going to do, we're going to end with that. You may shut your phonics journals and put them away.